just want to get this into your head quickly and think about it. What Rob Setterfield, the photographer and artist stroke sculptor, photographer, he's going to take, he wants to take a photograph of all the people who exhibited today. So that would be nice. I'm just going to suggest that all the artists sort of congregate there, and we'll have a group, after I've finished welcoming you, we'll have a group photograph. And all of those who do that, they have the option then to participate in group sex. But that's just an option. You can not take if you don't want to. Thank you. And welcome back, Barry. It's lovely to have you back in East London. Yeah, it's been around for a few weeks. Yeah, no, and once again, thank you to the staff of the Anne Brown Art Gallery. And we celebrate a long association. The Fine Art Society has had a long association beneficial to artists and the art-loving public in general. And thank you, Leon. And then, no, I mean it. You know, we take it for granted, this working relationship that we have. And then about the work, the artists who have submitted. It's a broken glass. Clumsy me. Yeah, that's okay. Let's You know. The more I see art and artists, I believe that actually many more of us have got this ability to create art. In fact, some artists, recently I read a quote about artists should live their life as art. They should make tea as art. And I think actually a lot of us do that anyway. We have the ability, all of us have the ability to create, I think. What we have here, the Peep Show, offers people that opportunity to jump a little bit sideways and to experience a different kind of art making. And I think that's what's so lovely, is a lot of these artists would never work in small formats if they didn't have this exhibition. And it challenges them to think about this. And you know, now, yes, I'm going to come to the point now, because I know I don't want to bore you. The big thing is, you know, I would always say how beneficial art is in society. And it's an easy thing to think, well, how does it actually change society? But think about it. When we're busy as artists painting a picture, most of the time you're sending out some very positive energy into this world of ours. You certainly are not, as artists, involved in anything harmful to our fellow man and this world. That, on the contrary, you are actually, all of you, performing a beautiful service to your fellow men. And here's the evidence of it around us, and I celebrate you all. Those of us who are going to take a photograph over there, let's just do it. Okay, and welcome to you all. Thank you.
Thank you.